Chapter 19. Connecting the Request Manager and Request Modules. This application allows maintenance requests to be sent from any mobile device directly to the SVISION administrator. Each request is recorded in the database, keeping the administrator informed in real time. To begin, enter the module. Select the option Start using My Databases, and then enable the checkbox Always start using this option. To create a new database connection, click the Accept button and then click Add. Enable the option Create connection to an existing database. Select the database type assigned by the administrator user. In this case, we will select Firebird. Enter the name of the database to which you will connect. Add a brief description of the database for identification purposes and click the Finish button. In the new window, enter the user credentials. Done. You have successfully entered the request module, and the connection between the databases has been established.